Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We won't answer a person who is asking for directions. For example, paano pumunta sa Manila Cathedral, and we would answer him or her by saying, basta dyan lang yun, doon, doon. Ngunguso-nguso pa tayo. No? Without us being definite, you have to take this jeep, and then you have to cross, and then the entrance is on the right. Mahirap na magpaligoy-ligoy at maging hindi eksakto sa ating mga sagot. In the pursuit of directions, we must not be clueless or deceitful. We do not want someone to stray off or wander anywhere in his or her desire to reach a particular place or eventually even to a particular goal. If there is one thing that the Lord left us, is that He never left us clueless where to go and how to go to that place. He taught us that He is the way, the truth, and the life. He taught us that our direction is to heaven, to the place where He's been teaching us what it is about, to the place that He prepared for us. Hindi niya po sinabi sa atin na secret, no clue, ang buhay na ito. But He pointed us where to go and how to go to it. He never left us clueless. Once more, we are in want of directions. Many would find time, would pray, and would even thirst to clear out what their life, where their life is leading to or heading to. Are they still heading to their dreams? Will they stop? Will they continue? Will they move back? Kinakailangan bang mag-detour? Would there be a rerouting in this life? Maghahanap ba ng ibang daan at madami pang iba? And such is not the perfect time to say, bahala na lang. Kung saan ka dalhin ng mga paa mo, saan mo gustuhin, magwala ka. But Jesus never left us once more clueless to our destination and how to go to our destination. When in need of direction, go help someone search out the way. Huwag tayong mapanloko. Huwag tayong magpaligoy-ligoy. We help each other we help each other see the way and eventually embrace our destination. Jesus pointed out our goal and how to make it to the goal. In our experience and in our life of wanting goals, directions, dreams, and destinations, the Lord is willing to teach us the way. We are here for each other, to help each other see the way, how to go through there, and to embrace what lies there for each of us.